Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wondered how plants, these amazing green machines, actually make their own food? I mean, they don't exactly have grocery stores or kitchens, right? Well, today, we're diving deep into one of the most fundamental and incredible processes on Earth, photosynthesis. This isn't just a fancy science word. It's the very reason we have oxygen to breathe and food to eat. In fact, without photosynthesis, life as we know it wouldn't exist. So, what exactly is photosynthesis? Simply put, it's the process by which green plants, algae, and some bacteria convert light energy into chemical energy, creating sugars for their own growth and releasing oxygen as a byproduct. Think of it as a plant's very own solar-powered food factory. The ingredients. What plants need to make their delicious sugary snacks? Plants need three main ingredients. Sunlight. This is the energy source, just like the electricity that powers your appliances. Water, absorbed from the soil through their roots. Carbon dioxide, a gas found in the air, which plants take in through tiny pores on their leaves. Now, where does all this magic happen? It all goes down inside specialized structures within plant cells called chloroplasts. These are like miniature solar panels packed inside every green part of a plant, and inside these chloroplasts, we find the superstar pigment, chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is what gives plants their green color, but more importantly, it's incredibly good at capturing light energy from the sun. Think of it as the ultimate light trap. Photosynthesis isn't just one big step. It's actually divided into two main stages. Stage 1. The light-dependent reactions. This stage, as the name suggests, requires light. Here, the chlorophyll captures light energy, which is then used to split water molecules. When water H2O is split, we get hydrogen and, importantly, oxygen gas, which the plant releases back into the atmosphere. That's the oxygen we breathe. This stage also produces energy-carrying molecules, ATP, and NADPH, that are like tiny batteries, ready to power the next stage. Stage 2. The light-independent reactions Calvin cycle. This stage, also known as the Calvin cycle, doesn't directly need light, but it uses the energy generated from the light-dependent reactions. Here, the plant takes in carbon dioxide from the air and, using that stored energy and hydrogen from the water, converts it into glucose, a simple sugar. This glucose is the plant's food. Once glucose is made, the plants can use it in several ways. Energy. It can be immediately used for energy to power growth, reproduction, and all its life processes. Storage. Excess glucose can be converted into starch and stored in roots, stems, and fruits for later use, just like we store food in our pantries. Building blocks. Glucose can also be converted into cellulose, which is a major component of plant cell walls, providing structural support and making plants strong and rigid. So, why is this process so incredibly vital? Oxygen production. It's the primary source of oxygen on our planet, making breathable air for almost all living things. Food source. Plants form the base of nearly every food chain. We eat plants directly, or we eat animals that eat plants. Without photosynthesis, there'd be no food for anyone. Climate regulation. Plants absorb massive amounts of carbon dioxide, helping to regulate our planet's climate. Photosynthesis truly is the engine of life on Earth. Isn't that just mind-blowing? The next time you see a green leaf, remember the incredible work it's doing, tirelessly converting sunlight into life. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of plants, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more amazing science explanations, and let me know in the comments what other natural wonders you'd like to explore.